Welcome, welcome, welcome. So today we have our agenda on the list from TextGraph, and I'm Cezaline at your service. So this is the ThermTx 44. As by its name, it actually has a 44-inch wide calendar heat transfer system. Now, moving to its capabilities, it actually has 3-in-1 functions. So first is the roll-to-roll transfer, second is the cut sheet transfer, third is the direct fixation. Now, moving towards the machine, it actually functions on an Omron controller and heat coupling for its year of stability. And moving towards the advanced thermocouple, with its heating element, it actually brings you to an end-to-end heating and an even distribution on your sublimation.
So now we're going to concentrate on the features. First is an all-steel component construction that it has a fast warm-up and cool-down times save energy and labor. And it has a Nomex felt belt for added durability. Next is that it has a mechanically adjusted belt without the need of compressed air. So the belt does not need adjustment before, during, or after the transfer process. And as I have mentioned in the beginning, it has an all Omron controllers and heat couplings for year-on-year stability. And last but not least is the quick chuck self-locking mandrels, which secures and centers cores consistently, and it is available for both 3 inches and 2 inches cores. So the ThermTx 44 actually has an anti-ghosting system, a proprietary system of tension bars, separate textile from the transfer paper after sublimation to prevent image ghosting on the fabric. The belt is easily adjusted for thicker items like wetsuit material, carpets, and etc.
Now, the 3-in-1 design of the ThermTx 44 actually has benefits. The table is in a fixed position, allowing for both roll-to-roll or piece production. Second is the ideal of the production of sportswear and garments using stretchable or non-stretchable fabric with cut piece. Third is that it works with tack or non-tack transfer papers in roll-to-roll applications for signage or much more. And lastly is that it has a low-speed servo-driven motor system to allow pigment ink fixation. So now for the safety features of this ThermTx 44. So it includes safety features engineered to provide a safe working environment for the operator. First is the emergency stop buttons. So there are 2 emergency stop buttons which is easily accessed from front and rear of the calendar. So the fourth one, which is the battery backup for any power failures or interruption. As I mentioned from before, it has an auto cool down or shut off. So when it's turned off, the ThermTx heater drum will automatically shut down when safe temperatures have been reached.
So basically the ThermTx 44 transfers onto all polyester fabrics, cut and sew dye sub-apparels, jerseys, flags, banners, and much more as well, like scarves and abayas. Now, if you actually want to know more about the ThermTx 44, we actually have a downloadable brochure at www.textgraph.com, which is our wonderful website. Thank you.